Hey everybody, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Here in front of us, we have a 1-carat pear cut lab diamond engagement ring from James Allen. This ring cost just shy of $2,000. I think it was $1,975 total. And in today's video, I want to show you how this ring showed up to my door, what the packaging looks like, what the box looks like, what's included with the ring, and then I'm going to give you a bunch of really good outdoor and indoor shots so you can see what this ring looks like in real life. So after I ordered the ring, this is how it showed up to my doorstep. It's a very incognito box. You would never know that there was a ring in here. If we go ahead and pull it out, you can see the actual packaging is protected by this little sleeve and a nice, beautiful presentation there. There's a little magnetic door here on the front, and then that opens up the top lid. Now, we're always going to get straight to the point on this channel, and if you like that, be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video. But let's take a look at the ring first. As you can see, very sparkly, nice presentation, and I really do like the ring boxes that they're in red. I know when I did my engagement, that red ring box really popped in the photo, so I thought it was pretty cool. Down at the bottom, you have a little drawer here with all your information. So this is your receipt for your purchase. Obviously, a lot of personal information on there, so I'm not going to show what's inside. You also have a little bit of an advertisement from James Allen here, and then you have your quality assurance paper. You have a cleaning cloth, and then you also have your report for your diamond. So depending on which diamond you get, you'll either get an IGI, AGS, or a GIA report. This specific diamond was graded by IGI. So as you can see here, it's a Pear Brilliant, 1.04 carats, G color, VS2 clarity, excellent polish, excellent symmetry, no fluorescence. So you will get this if you order a ring from them. You will get the specific report to your specific stone. And these reports are always available to you before you purchase a diamond. So if you want to see the report before you purchase a diamond, you can talk to their online chat and they will actually email you PDFs of the report. So really cool to have that. So let's go ahead and jump into taking a look at this diamond ring and take a look at some different shots in both indoor and outdoor lighting. So this first clip is recorded outside right around noontime. You know, the sun's out, there's a few clouds in the sky, and I apologize for my rough hands. It's hard for me to get those nice modeling hands that everybody has on YouTube. I do a lot of outside work, so I don't quite have the nice soft hands that everybody has. But anyway, you can see this diamond out here in this beautiful sunlight, and it looks amazing. I mean, how it looks on camera is how it looks in real life. It is absolutely stunning. It's a really, really cool diamond to look at. And, you know, with these lab diamonds, because they're so inexpensive, you can get a pretty good size and you can get some really good clarity and characteristics on a diamond for rather cheap because they are lab diamonds and they look fantastic. So really good looking ring, and this is what it looks like in that nice outside direct sunlight. Let's go ahead and take a look at some interior shots. This is taken under some LED and fluorescent lighting. So the diamond's going to come alive a little bit different with that interior lighting, but it still looks amazing. You can see with the pear cut, I find it very interesting because the thicker part of the diamond toward the bottom has sort of a traditional, almost round diamond light performance. You can see the triangles shooting the light back at you, but then at the top you have sort of that crushed ice look. So it's kind of a combination between a round diamond and sort of that crushed ice on the top. Just very, very interesting. I find diamonds fascinating to look at, and you can see that this particular diamond has a lot of characteristics about it that just make it really unique and cool. So very, very good looking ring. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check out James Allen's website. I'll put a link down in the video description. They're a really good resource if you guys are starting to shop for a ring. You can build a ring by picking your diamond and your settings, so you can build the exact style that you like. And you can also take a look at what it's going to cost price-wise. And James Allen is very, very competitive with their prices. They're kind of hard to beat anywhere. Ultimately, that's why I went with them when I bought the engagement ring for my fiance. So they're a really good resource. I encourage you to check them out before you buy and see what you can get for your money. Like I said, these lab diamonds are very cost efficient. This ring, less than $2,000. And if you were to get this lab diamond as a natural diamond, this would be a $4,000 to $6,000, even maybe even a $7,000 ring, depending on where you got it from. So really, really good value for your money with the lab diamonds if you decide to go that route. I have a ton of other videos on my YouTube channel if you guys want to check out more about natural diamonds versus lab diamonds. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button, and good luck on your ring shopping, guys. I hope you find the perfect ring. All right, take care. We'll see you next time.